Okay, here's a quick video I've been meaning to make for a couple of months. It's just about backlighting these large vertically oriented panel meters that you find on a few radios. I've seen a few people put LEDs behind them, which I have done here, but usually they've just got one little globe and that kind of sits in the middle, and it does a fairly uneven kind of a lighting when you're looking at it from the front. Usually has a bright spot here, and this actually, the camera actually looks like it has got a bit of a bright spot, but if I just drop the brightness down, you can see it's like really even. So the solution that I had for that were these little LED arrays. There's like a little 3x6 array of 18 LEDs. You can see the size of it, it's fairly large. It sits behind the meter here, and it gives a really nice even coverage to the meter. These things are actually sold as replacements for interior lights in cars. So they're designed to run off sort of 12-13 volts, and if you do run them off 12 or 13 volts, they're going to be way too bright. But most radios have got an 8 volt. This radio's got an 8 volt line in it, and when you hook these up to an 8 volt line, they're just perfect for backlighting a meter, as it so happens. They've got a little resistor on there. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's a little resistor on there which limits the current. But yeah, that's it. These things work really well at 8 volts, just perfect for running backlighting on a vertical meter very evenly. I'll just show you what it looks like in the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see the module is mounted up here on a piece of plastic, and it hangs off this metal tag which the original bulb hangs off, so I could utilize that. These come with some double-sided tape stuck on the back, so all I did was I just cut a piece of plastic, stuck the LED array onto the back of the plastic, and then I use double-sided tape to stick that into there. It's not a great mounting method. I'll probably put some hot glue or something on here as well, just to make it a little bit more stable. Because this has got the current limiting resistor on board, these two lines just go straight onto the 8 volt line in the radio, which is easy to pick up. You can pick that up anywhere. So that's it. Yeah, it works really well. Okay, see ya.